Welcome to the Courses how-to videos. This video is for main office managers who want to take attendance and verify attendance. Something that happens every now and then is that classes go on field trips and you as main office manager will have to take attendance for that class. Now let's say that this class went on a field trip. The first step for you to take attendance is to mark the attendance as taken. You can do this by clicking on the green check mark, or you can right click and mark as taken. By doing this, you'll initially set all students as present, but you'll still be able to switch the status of the student. If by any chance you took attendance for the wrong class, you can always mark the attendance as untaken. Similarly, you can do this by right-clicking and marking as untaken, or you can click on the icon at the top of the screen. You can change the status of the absent and late students in the Verify Attendance page. If some of the students were absent, you can use the Add Multiple feature to change the status of those students. Now let's say the student was absent for the field trip. For your record convenience, Coolsys allows you to select the amount of time that the student was gone. You can select all day or enter the start and end time for your record. As you can see, the student now appears in the verified attendances list. To add new late records for any time of the day, you can use this feature right here. Coolsys automatically enters the time for late record. The late record will appear in both the verified attendance list and the late record list. If you are notified in advance that a student will be absent or late for a specific date, you could input it by using the Add Early Dismissal record. Coolsys automatically enters the time for late record. The new record appears here and it shows that the student was absent until 8:15. After refreshing the screen, the student will appear under the late records. If you are notified in advance that a student will be absent or late for a specific date, you could input it by using the Add Early Dismissal record. One of the cool things about the attendance verification window is that the contact info appears after selecting the student. As before, you can fill out the verification date, verified with, verification type, status, and reason for the student. The amount of days that teachers are allowed to go back and take attendance can be configured right here. Now let's see how the teachers see the verified attendances. This particular student has had the attendance verified by the main office, so the teacher won't be able to change the status. Now let's say that the teacher is taking attendance. As you can see, the verified attendance remains. And that is what you need to know to take and verify attendance.